If you have a massive partnership pitch due in an hour and all you have is a messy list of bullet points, don't panic. I'm going to show you how to turn those rough notes into a deal closing one-pager in literally 2 minutes with Venngage. All right, let's go from 0 to 1 with this demo. I'm on the new homepage of Vengage's one-pager generator. So watch as I do this list so you can see exactly how fast and simple it is. Now, hit enter and we're going to watch it build the basic structure instantly. Just like that, a basic framework is ready from absolutely nothing. No layout design, no blank canvas. That's the magic of the 0 to 1 approach. But a bland template won't cut it, especially for a partner pitch. Next, we're going to give it a bit of a brand identity. So we're going to click Brand Kit to apply the logos, fonts, and obviously the colors that you want. So for the sake of this, we're just going to explore palettes. Instantly, the document transforms from generic to on brand. That's an absolute game changer for speed and consistency. So notice how the AI sorted out the content for us, the KPI targets here and timeline there, in clean, easy to read rows and sections. You didn't have to drag boxes around or fiddle with the grids. It takes the thinking and the grunt work out of the layout design. Now, content is rarely perfect the first time. That's where the AI's refinement tools come in. With one click, you can make a placeholder sentence crisp and professional. It's polishing without manual rewriting. And the way you do that is you just go, you highlight what you want, and then you come up here and click improve text. So ask AI to write or improve your text. Okay, so let's make it more professional. So it replaces what it says with something more professional. So as you can see, that looks really clean. And then all you need to do is just replace the section. Right, so text replace, it's done. You can also replace a generic icon with a more meaningful visual, tailored to the partner's niche. A quick visual adjustment that boosts professionalism if your partner is international. So hit the translate text to easily localize the pitch. It's a subtle but powerful global reach feature. So if I want to replace this, I just click replace and you can see all the different things that I could be using. So recommended, you've got them. But if I just want to modify here as well, describe what you would like to update. Dartboard. Yeah, perfect. I'm just going to choose that one. So as you can see, the icon was easily replaced there. Now, before you send, you want to make sure that the final project is solid, so we're going to use the design feedback. So this tool is going to adjust the spacing, the alignment and the visuals, try and give you a little bit of consistency. Okay, then we're going to run an accessibility check, which will ensure that the contrast and eligibility are compliance ready. So this is good for readability and professionalism. Okay, so from this one, I'm just going to increase the color contrast. Perfect. So now that that is done. So once you're happy with the final thing, what we're going to do is, look to export as a PDF or a PNG. This comparison shows exactly why this tool is powerful, yeah? You start with the bare bones and mental notes, but end up with a clean, brand-ready pitch document. From 0 to final deliverable, fast, clean, professional. That's the value of using AI-powered tools for partner pitch one-pagers. Venngage is not just for one-pagers. They have 100 plus free AI tools, including internal launch briefs and product checklists. There's free access. Registering for free unlocks unlimited access to over 40 AI design generators. So stop wasting hours formatting documents. Click the link in the description to start using Vengage's AI one-pager generator and 100 plus other free tools right now.